Hey guys, Mr. Mains here. Psych. So this week, my corny joke aside, what we're doing is we are doing a pencil versus camera challenge. And what the pencil versus camera challenge is, there's an artist who basically created this idea that you rip a piece of paper, you put it in front of either a person or an object or a scenery in the background, and you draw on that blank canvas, that white piece of paper, whatever that is, what you imagine to see in the background. So if you don't want to venture like too deep into imagination and to do all that work of thinking about and imagining something, what you can do instead is you can get a piece of paper, you can draw some sort of a character. Like I drew this character that I found on Pinterest, which I just thought was a cool cartoon character. And then you can take a photo of it. Do your best. Take a photo of this character in front of yourself like you see in my video, so that the character kind of matches up with your profile, your shoulders, your head, whatever. So that's the challenge, and I'm going to include a little bit of the artist and his some of his pencil versus camera images, so you get a better idea of what the project can be. So if you don't know what to do, follow what I'm doing. But if you want to get creative, take a look at the rest of the video and use a piece of paper and get creative with it. And at the end, your goal is with your drawing to take a photo of where you got your inspiration from. So for me, you're gonna see that I just used a cartoon character over my daughter, over myself. But I'm not limiting you to a person. It could be in your room, outside, a scene out your window, okay? So if you don't know what to do, look here now. Boop. That's gonna be an idea of what the finished product looks like, which is a photo of your drawing in front of whatever inspired you. Okay guys, sorry for the shaky video. Good luck, have fun with this one, get creative. See ya.
Hello dear friends, I make this video to celebrate the 10-year anniversary of my pencil versus camera concept. In this series, I created almost 200 images. It represents 5,000 hours of work. So it's a lot of work and sacrifices, but it was so much pleasure. So in this video, you will see the original image and its final version with a creative drawing. I am the inventor of this concept, which I launched in April 2010. In each of these images, I try to convey a poetic message. So I captured the photo and created the drawing for each of this artwork. This concept is now used in many schools around the world. I collaborate with each one of these schools. I also created the music especially for this video. It's a personal piano composition. I really hope you like it. I invite you to subscribe to my page, to like this video and share it. Please stay in touch. Bye bye and thank you very much.